then, if I turn it off, I don't know if you can unplug it. If I unplug the charge, it says it's at 100%. I do a reset on it. Let go. It goes through its cycles. It goes dark. Nothing. Nothing. And I plug either of two chargers in. Oh wait, it's resetting. Where is it? This is the second one to do this. Except now the other one doesn't even show a blue light when it powers up. Two Explorer 500s, less than 2 years old. Junk. It says 0%. Nothing coming in. It's plugged into wall voltage. Nothing. Then it comes back and says, oh, look, 100%, 1%, 100%, 1%. So I'm going to leave it charged for a while, except that it's not showing any input. So Jackery, tell me what the flip is wrong with this.